Good morning, my dear students. Today we are starting chapter number 2, Logon to Access. Do you know what is Access? Access is the part of Microsoft Office group where Word, Excel, PowerPoint and MS Access is available. You have used already Word, Excel and PowerPoint for the different purpose. In this class, we will be learning MS Access. Have you ever seen a database? Yes, your class teacher is having a register which is containing different type of data under the different headings. Say for example, roll number. Under this heading, all the students, all their roll numbers are written under this heading. Student's name. Under this heading, all the students' names are written. Father's name. Under this headings, father's names are written. Address. Under this heading, the addresses of different students are written. Likewise, different columns are having different informations. Okay, so when you read all the different informations horizontally, it means in the form of a row, then it gives the complete information about a student. Okay, so you will be able to create the database in the computer by using the MS Access. Let us discuss about the database. A database is an organized way of storing information. It helps us to manage and access large amount of information quickly and efficiently. It means this software is used to organize or the collect of different informations under the particular format or the heading. Okay, see here, unknowingly we all use database in our daily life. We maintain our personal address diaries in which we record address and telephone numbers of our friends. We maintain the informations alphabetically so that whenever any information is needed, we browse and extract the informations quickly. You know what is meaning of browse? Browse means to search immediately. It means you are maintaining a address book or the diaries where you have written all the addresses of your friends, and quickly you can access it and you can take it out if it is required. Okay. We can perform operations like adding, updating, sorting, editing and deleting of the records on a database. It is very difficult to maintain a database manually when there are hundreds and thousands of records. A computerized DBMS, database management systems, allows us to create, extract, sort, update and query a database. It saves our time and energy, and there are less chances of committing errors, and even data can be handled very fast and efficient. Next heading is what makes up a database. The structure of a database is made up of fields, records and file. Let us take an example of a school information system. See here students, one example, one diagram is given here. Here certain headings. See the roll number, name, father's name, address, telephone number, date of birth. You can see in the red colors different column headings are there. These headings are known as field. Okay, and the information which is written under the different heading, when you read it horizontally, say 101, roll number 101, when you read it line wise or the horizontally, then it give you complete information about a student's roll number 101 Kabir, Mr. R Nanda, address 675/4, telephone number and date of birth. So when you read it horizontally, then it give complete informations about a student. Okay, this is called row. And column wise, the informations like telephone number, date of birth, these are the headings under the column. This is called the column headings or the column which containing a particular informations. Okay, we will discuss one by one field, record, file and database. Okay, field, a column within a table that contain only one type of information is called a field. In the database of school system information system, roll number, name, address, date of birth are the different field names. Record. A collection of fields make one record. A record displays all the information about a single entity. In the given example, a student's roll number, name, father's name, address, telephone number, and date of birth indicate one complete record of a student. File is a collection of related records. Database. A database is an organized collection of related information or data stored in files. In addition to stored data, you can also access, sort, and summarize information related to data. There are mainly two types of database: flat file database and relational database. A flat file database can store and retrieve information. It is not capable of linking the files together, whereas relational database links separate tables together to a common piece of information. It means the two type of database MS Access provide you. One where only you can store the informations in a file, and that file cannot be connected with the another table or another file. But in the relational database, two different database or two different tables on a particular or on a common field name. There are many fields name. Okay, but in the two different database, suppose one field is common in both the field, in both the table, then you can connect them, you can link them. Okay, so this facility is available in the relational database management system. Okay, so DBMS stands for database management system and RDBMS stands for relational database management system. So MS Access is RDBMS, relational database management system, which allows you to link different tables on a common field. This is all for today's. Next we will discuss in the coming class.